gentlemen, Nicole Sullivan.
You know, thank you very much. Yeah, Nicole couldn't make it. Yeah, she's in her dressing room crying. I guess I insulted her. Oops. Yeah, no, I'm not saying that her jokes are lame. I'm just saying that we had to build her a ramp to get her in here. If you know what I mean. Yeah, that's funny. Okay. Now you're stuck with me, little ray of sunshine. Welcome to Mad TV's Halloween Spooktacular on Fox. We are the Monica Lewinsky of networks. We're big, we're cheap, we're flashy, and sometimes we really blow. No, but seriously, folks, tonight we have a show that is so funny, it is scary.
Hi, Vancome lady.
Oh, wow, speaking of scary, look at her. Yeah, look at that outfit. See, I thought the $2 whore look was out, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Did that outfit come with knee pads and a bib? I've seen wounds that were dressed better. Okay, and this must be your pimp.
Look here, this is my wife.
Oh, wow, that must have been a drunk night in Vegas, huh?
My wife over here, she's giving you a little bit of support.
Okay, you know what? You shouldn't talk back when I'm...
Look, I bought
sir,
this outfit. We
sir,
came over.
Thank you. Boy. Okay, are we done with OJ and Nicole over here?
Yeah, you really nailed them.
Oh, wow, and looky there. The white trash rears its ugly head. Okay, I'm thinking you're out of work, still live with your mom, fight with your dad about your long hair, haven't had a date since the junior prom. And let me guess, you're a Kiss fan?
Yeah, Kiss rules.
Yeah, what a shocker. Yeah, the kids with the music and the makeup. Kiss. Why don't you boys just kiss my ass?
Why don't you name the time and place, baby?
Okay, stick around, folks. We got a lot more show and a lot more kiss. And the boys better leave some kiss for me if you know what I'm talking about.
No problem.
Oh, yeah. Bring it home to Mama.